Dear traders, before I start with the introduction to cryptocurrency for beginner traders, I am excited to share with you what the 5 strategies are that I will be teaching you and how I know that these 5 strategies are profitable to date. If you have seen some of my other courses, you will know that I test hundreds of strategies by using professional programs for algo trading. However, I have decided to make it easier for you and share those that made me the most profit over the last few years. And the indicators that they are comprised of and their parameters, because I do not use the default values. I will show you some example trades, I will show you how to apply the strategies properly and how to trade them with robots if you want to. Yes, I have included the automated strategies as ready-to-use trading robots, and they are attached to this lecture as a resource file. If you already know how to test robots on a demo account, you can download them and test them while going through the course. And if you don't, download them and I will show you how to do it later in the course. The strategies are simple, there is nothing complicated. Like most beginner traders, at the beginning of my trading career, I thought that the more complicated the strategy or robot I use, the more profits I will have. But that is not the reality. The best strategies are the ones that generate the most profits for us. And most of the time, these are the simpler strategies with just a few indicators. And you will see that in this course.